shop owner has bought in the Santa or in any Raitu Bazaar.
एक ही जगह पे मिलके those type of plastics are known as thermosetting plastics. Comparison, there are 3 types:
up, down, right, left.
I am not inferior to anyone.
We are Claris. We are top on the Everest. Congratulations.
I want to be a leader.
Hi friends, I am L.Parijatha of class 8 from TSWREIS school, Palakurthy, Warangal district. Friends, have you observed various articles around you? In your home, kitchen, bathroom, bedroom? Can you name some material, friends? Yes, computers, electrical appliances, TV, fridge, AC, beds, slippers, bottles, water pipes, electrical appliances and plates, bottles, everything. Friends, what is a common material in these materials? Yes, they are plastic. So friends, we are going to learn about plastics. Friends, in our day-to-day life, we use plastics a lot, and the usage of plastic is a lot. See here friends, plastic used in our daily life. See here, the shelves in our house all are filled with plastics, and the toys are made with plastics and many other plastic items. All these are plastic. We are using plastics a lot in our day-to-day life. How we are using plastics, friends? How we are using means, we are using it for plastic bags, plastic coatings, plastic furnitures, plastic sheets, plastic fittings, plastic tanks, plastic toys, plastic buckets, plastic sanitary ware and plastic stationery. All these are we are using in our day-to-day life. Everything is made with plastic. So, plastic play an important role in our day-to-day life. So, plastics are play a major role in our day-to-day life. So, friends, we are using plastics a lot. Do you know what is a plastic? Plastic means plastic is a polymeric organic material which is made up of polymers. Polymer is a long chain-like structure made up of small units called monomers. The arrangement of monomers in polymers are 2 types. They are linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement. Means, see here, plastic is a polymeric organic material. Means, plastic is made up with polymers. It is made up with polymers, and the polymer is a long chain-like structure made up with monomers. Plastic is made up with polymers, polymers are made up with monomers. This is the plastic, and the arrangement in the plastics are 2 types. They are linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement. Linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement. There are 2 types of arrangement. They are linear arrangement and cross-linked arrangement. Friends, I think you have a doubt what is a linear arrangement and what is a cross-linked arrangement. I will tell you. See here friends, this is the linear arrangement and this is the cross-linked arrangement. Here see, the monomers are linked in a linear pair. So, this is the linear arrangement, and here it is cross-linked. So, it is cross-linked arrangement, and linear arrangement is found in thermoplastics, where thermoplastics, and cross-linked arrangement is found in thermosetting plastics. Linear arrangement in thermoplastic and cross-linked arrangement in thermosetting plastic. Friends, we have learnt about the arrangement. Then, do you know what is a thermoplastic and thermosetting plastics? Thermoplastic means the plastic which which get deformed by heating and can be bent is called a linear arrangement. And the cross-linked arrangement means the plastic once molded and can't be softened by heating. This is called the thermosetting plastics. Here friends, see, when we are burning it changes into liquid, but here it soften and become hard. This is thermosetting and this is the thermoplastics. Thermoplastic is nothing but plastic that do not undergo chemical change in their composition when heated and can be molded again and again. For example, see this bottle. It is a thermosetting plastic and it can be molded. See here, and it can be bent. Is it bending? Yes. So it is a thermoplastic, and the plastic which do not get deformed. It won't bend and it won't do anything. See here, is it bending? No. This is the thermosetting plastic. Friends, do you got the idea about the thermoplastics and thermosetting plastic? Yes. Let us go to another one. See here friends, thermoplastic objects. These are the thermoplastic objects. The comb, it is made up with thermoplastic, and straws. These also made up with thermoplastic. Brushes, buckets, all these are thermoplastics. And thermosetting plastics, telephone, these boxes, electrical switches, all electrical appliances are thermosetting plastics. Friends, how will you find that the object is a thermoplastic or thermosetting plastics? We can find it by doing a just small activity, friends. Let us do an activity. This is burning activity. See here friends, what is this? Yes, it is a comb. Now we are burning it. What will happen? Let us check. See friends, when I am burning, it is getting deformed and it is changing into the liquid. See here, when it is changing into the liquid. So it is a thermoplastics. What is this? Thermoplastics. See, this also change their shape by burning it. So it is a thermoplastics. Next, toothbrush. Now we are going to burn the handle of toothbrush. See here friends, like the comb, it also changing their shape and turning as a liquid. Isn't it? Yes. So it is a thermoplastic. What is this? It is a thermoplastics. And the friends, see here, now here the object which turns into liquid is called the thermoplastics, and the object which do not turn into the liquid is called thermosetting plastics. This is the difference between thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Friends, why do we use the plastics? Why they are so popular? Because they are waterproof, isn't it? They are waterproof and high textile strength as compared to paper. It has very textile, means if we tear the paper, it will tear, but the plastic will tear? No. So it is better than the compared with paper, and lightweight. It is very light. See here, this is a mug. Is it light or weight? It is light. So the plastic is light. And multi-purpose. We can use it for many things. So it is a multi-purpose object and usually comes free with purchased goods. We can get it while purchasing also. And friends, we have learnt about many things. Do you know what are the properties of plastics? Let us know. Properties of plastic. Plastic materials are strong, lightweight, flexible and durable. Means plastics are strong, lightweight, flexible and durable. If we beat it to any hard substance, it will break? No, it will just changes their shape. So it is strong and they are lightweight. They are light in weight and they are flexible. They are flexible and they can use, and they are durable, means we can use it for many years. So it is durable. And plastics can be easily molded into variety shapes and size. And plastic, it means we can mold the plastics into variety shapes and size. Friends, see here, here all objects are different shapes and different size. So, like that it can be molded into different shapes and size, means we can make the plastics into different shapes and sizes. Plastics are cheap and dispensable. Plastics are cheap, means they are cheap than the metals, isn't it? They are cheap than the metals like steel, tin, aluminium, etc. And plastics have long usage of life, means we can use it for long life. So, it have long usage of life. Plastics are poor conductor of electricity and heat. Friends, see here, this is a screwdriver, isn't it? Yes. Here the handle of screwdriver is covered with plastic, means why we are covering with plastic? Because they are the poor conductor of heat and electricity. They are poor conductor of heat and electricity. So, we are using it for handles of screwdriver. Not only screwdrivers, we will use it for pressure cookers also. We can use it for pressure cookers also. Have you observed your utensils in your home, friends? The handles of utensils contain the plastics. So, because they are poor conductor of electricity and heat, that's why we are using it as the handles. Plastics do not corrode or decay. For example, friends, metals can corrode easily, but the plastics won't corrode easily, and they can use for we can use it for long life. So, they won't decay and they won't corrode. So, friends, we have learnt about the properties of plastics. Now, friends, we are going to learn about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Biodegradable and non-biodegradable is nothing but the material which decompose by natural process is called biodegradable. The material which decompose by natural process is biodegradable. Friends, it is better to know about the decomposition. It is better to know the decomposition means a material which broke into the smaller fragments by the presence of water, sunlight and oxygen. It is called the decomposition, and it will get further broken, that is called by bacteria it will broke further, that is called the decomposition. Here, friends, the material which decompose by natural process. Natural process is nothing but in the presence of air, water and sunlight. This is called the biodegradable. Examples: waste paper, peels of vegetables and fruits, leftover foodstuff, leaves, cotton cloths, etc. For example, friends, see here, this is a bottle with some soil, and here, friends, I am dropping the leaves in it. After some days, what will happen? It will decompose like this. The leaf will become the dry leaf. This is called decomposition. Try this activity, friends, with various materials. Friends, here plastic. I also put the plastics. Here the plastic do not decompose. See here, the plastic do not decompose. So, it is a non-biodegradable. Non-biodegradable is nothing but the material which do not decompose by natural process is called non-biodegradable. It won't decompose by natural process, that is called non-biodegradable. Examples are plastic covers, plastic bottles, plastic wastages, plastic bags, all plastic items. See here, friends, the garbage contains with a lot of plastics. So, because the plastic is a non-biodegradable substance, that's why it is with many plastics. The garbage contains many plastics. Here, these are the decomposed plastic bottles. They were decomposed plastic bottles. And friends, you have know about the biodegradable and non-biodegradable. Now, friends, here the plastic pollution is a lot, and in the world status it is very much. Let us see how much is. World status, plastic production and disposal. How much production and the disposal? We are going to learn it. Plastic production is 100 million tons per year. We are producing plastics 100 million tons per year. Only for year we are producing 100 million tons. But here the plastic disposal is 25% tons. 25 million tons per year is the disposal, and the other 75% where it goes? This all leads to the pollution, not one pollution, different types of pollution, and the other 75 million tons of plastic leads to the pollution. See here friends, how the plastic is affecting the environment. See here, we are throwing the plastic bags here and there. They were mixed in the water, see, and if we burn, they are releasing the poisonous gases. Here they are releasing poisonous gases. It is very harmful. Cloning of drainages. Here this is the drainage which is cloning. If we go near the drainage, we will get the foul smell because it has very wastages of plastic. That chemicals will mix in this water and it releases the gas and pollution. Disposal of waste plastic is a major problem. It is non-biodegradable. And we are throwing the plastic here and there, isn't it? Yes. And this all leads to the pollution because it is a non-biodegradable. Here it is a non-biodegradable. That's why it has been a problem for everyone. Not only for us, it is very harmful to animals also. Burning of these plastics causes air pollution, global warming, monsoon failure. Here when we burn the plastic, it releases poisonous gas, isn't it? Is it releasing the poisonous gas? Yes. This gas will cause the air pollution. This gas will cause the air pollution and global warming. It causes the global warming and monsoon failure. Monsoon failure is nothing but not correct order to seasons. The seasons won't be in correct order. This all affects by the plastic. So, we should reduce the usage of plastic as much as possible. See here friends, disposal of plastic into water risks the marine life. Means if we throw the plastics wherever we want, it will make risk to the marine life, means aquatic animals. See here, the turtle is eating the plastic bag. It will choke in their respiratory system and they may die. It is very danger. And here also some animals are dying due to the plastics. It is very danger. Burn plastics releases poisonous chemicals into the air. If we burn the plastic, it releases the poisonous air. So, we shouldn't burn the plastics. It is very harmful. And soil fertility gets affected due to the plastic waste. If we throw the plastic in the soil fertility will be gone. We lose the soil fertility and it may cause, it won't give any crop to anyone. It is very danger. Without food we can't live. So, reduce your usage of plastic or minimize your usage of plastic friends. It is very danger. Plastic is, how much the plastic is useful, like that it is very danger. So, we should reduce the usage of plastics. Negative impacts of plastic. Here friends, the animals, especially the cows, here they are eating the plastic bags which contain food in it. In these plastic bags there are some food. They are thinking that it is nothing and they were eating. When they eat like this, and this will choked in the respiratory system. This will choked in the respiratory system and form a lining, and this leads to their death. They may die due to this. And see here friends, an animal eaten the many plastics and they die. Here the animal is died due to the plastics. And here when the animal is died, in their stomach we found all these plastics. See how horrible it is. All plastics were eaten by this bird. So, they were died. Here they were died due to the plastics. So, don't throw the plastic here and there. Plastic pollution. We learnt about the world status, how the plastic pollution. Now in India, how is the plastic pollution in India? Plastic is one of the new few chemical which pose environmental pollution. Plastic is a chemical. It is a chemical material. Plastic is a chemical material and it will leads to the environmental pollution. We already learned how the plastic pollutes the environment. And the use of plastic in India, 3 kg per person per year. Only one person is using 3 kg of plastics per year. Is it right, friends? No, we should reduce. About 20% of solid municipal wastes are plastics in India. And the solid waste which present in our cities or villages, mostly 20% is the plastics. How horrible? Plastic is cheap, it gets discarded easily and its persistence in environment can do great harm. Even the plastic is cheap and it can deform easily, but it will do, while deforming it will do the great harm. It will do the great harm to the environment. Environment means in that we will come and the animals, we all should suffer. Plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is a lot. What we can do to stop it? What we can do? The best way to stop it is use plastic alternatives. What we have to do? We should use plastic alternatives. Means in the place of plastic bowls and plates, use glass and ceramic. Glass and ceramic. Use these items instead of plastics. Nowadays, see here friends, this meal plate is made up with plastic. So, instead of this, use this glass and ceramic plastics and stainless steel. Use the stainless steel instead of this plastic. Here, like this objects. Use stainless steel instead of this plastic object. So, we can reduce the usage of plastic. And khadi. Khadi means covers, and we are using the plastic covers a lot, but instead of the plastic bags, use khadi. Khadi is nothing but the jute bags or cotton bags. Use them. And wood. We have to use the wood instead of this plastics. Here the bowls which are in these are available in plastic, but avoid them and use these items. It is very better for us. And other metals, we can use the other metals instead of this. Nowadays, pipes is made up of plastics. Instead of that pipes, replace these metals. So, we can loosen our use of plastic easily. And another best way to reduce our usage of plastic is using the 4R principle. What is that? 4R principle. 4R principle. 4R principle is nothing but it helps to create a eco-friendly environment. It helps to create a eco-friendly environment. We can create a eco-friendly environment by us using 4R principle. 4R principles are reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. These are the 4R principle, friends. Repeat with me. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. This helps us to create a eco-friendly environment. What we have to do with the 4R principle? We can create a eco-friendly environment. See here friends. 4R principle. Reduce, reuse, recycle, recover. Here, reduce means nothing but reducing the usage of plastic by reusing them. We can reduce the usage of plastic by reusing them. Means, for example, this is a mug. Once we will use it and we throw it out, isn't it? Yes. But we have to reduce the purchasing the plastic and use it again and again, for our eco-friendly environment. Environment is us, not others. So, save environment. And reuse. Reuse is nothing but used plastic can be used again and again. For example, friends, polythene bags. We will just buy the polythene bags and throw it somewhere. But instead of throwing the plastic bags, use it again and again. If we use it again and again, so we can reduce the usage of plastic easily. And recycle. Recycle is the most important in this 4R principle. Recycling means obtaining plastics from the old or broken plastics. Friends, a local vendor will come to our homes and he will collect all the waste plastics and broken plastics, waste plastic, all they will collect. Why they are collecting means they collect all those and give it to the industries, recycling industries. They will recycle it and send it to us. They will recycle it and send it to us. This helps in reducing the plastics. So, like this we can reduce the plastic pollution also. And friends, every object can't be recycled. There are some codes. The codes are see here friends, this is the recycling symbol. Observe in your bottles or somewhere your plastic materials, the code will be given. The code will be given like this. In this, numbers are given 1 and 2, like that the numbers are given like that, and the 1 and 2, these two can be recycled. These two codes can be recycled easily, but 3 also can be recycled easily, but 4 can't be recycled friends. 4 can't be recycled. It is not recycled. And 6 also can be recycled easily. These are the codes which are given for recycling friends. Now, friends, we have to reduce the usage of plastic by reducing the usage of plastic. You don't use the plastic bags. Instead of plastic bags, use jute bags or cotton bags. Okay friends, and no plastic bags should be used. Reusing is nothing but, see here friends, the wasted bottles were collected and they were decorated as the flower vases. How beautiful is it? Like that we can reuse them. This reusable bag means I am morally superior to you. This is a bag which is made with jute or cotton. If we use this bag instead of these polythene bags, we can reduce the many plastic bags. We can reduce the many usage of plastic bags. Instead of, by using this reusable bag, we can reduce many plastic bags. Recycling. Friends, the process of recycling is shoppers return clean and empty bags to recycling bins. The waste which was collected in the shops, homes, all were collected in a bag and they will put in a dustbin. Okay friends? Bags are collected and baled for shopping, and these bags will be packed like this and they will send to the different types of vehicles to industries. Bales are transported to VIII recycling center. These bins, when the bins are collected in these vehicles, they will take to the VIII recycling center. And used bags are cleaned, processed and replenished. When the used plastics, they will clean the used plastics and they will process it. They will make it clean and they will give it to the machines. New plastic bags are made used recycled material. When they give that plastics to the machines, they will give the other recycled plastic material like this. This is the process of recycling friends. Recycling road. Friends, see here, this road is made with plastic. This road is made with plastic. These two roads are made with plastic. See here, this road is made from plastic waste. The waste which was collected